Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Canon LBP 6030 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear before we can proceed. Once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. And in a few moments, you will be redirected to the Google Chrome. We just have to wait until everything are set before we proceed. So let's just create a new tab and use here the search bar and type for Canon space LBP space 6030 printer space driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the result, which contains a support image class for LBP 6030. Click on it. And eventually you would be able to see this one. All you need to do is you need to scroll down. Okay. And it will automatically detect your operating system, which is Windows 11 in my case. Okay. So from here, you would be able to see a link below. All you need to do is you need to click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you'd be able to see this download option being highlighted in red one. All you need to do is you need to click on it so that you can now start on the downloading. So if it will ask you to agree on the terms and conditions, just click on yes so that you can now start. So eventually it will now start on the downloading. We just have to close the window, proceed to the upper right side of it, click on this download icon so that we can keep on track on this downloading progress. So we just have to wait until this would be completed before we can continue to the installation. So make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection so that you can now completely download this in a few moments. Once it is being downloaded, click on this folder icon to show it and the location where it is being placed or being saved to. Okay? So once you are being redirected here, all you need to do is you need to move that from the downloads to the desktop. So just click on this cat icon here, close the window, okay, as well as this one. And from the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. The moment you do it, you would be able to successfully move it here at the desktop. The next step that we need to do is you need to make a right click and you need to scroll down and wait for the second to the last option would be available. And once it's here, please click on extract to LBP 6030 and eventually it will now start on the extraction. So we just have to wait until it would be finished. Once done, please proceed to the file explorer, bring it up and directly go to the left pane of that. You can see their desktop. Please click on it. And there, here, you'll be able to see the extracted file. So from that on, let's move on to the installation by here at the bottom search bar, type for settings. So the moment you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, you can click on open to continue, or you can simply press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here, please proceed to the left pane where you can see Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please select on the devices to bring up the devices settings. So here at this section, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and under the related settings, you can see there are more devices and printer settings. All you need to do is you need to click on it. And the moment you do it, you will be able to see a window like this where you can see the devices and that includes the printers that you have installed here in your Windows. So from that, please proceed to the top of that. You can see there an option add a printer being placed at the left side. So please click on it and eventually you will be able to bring up this kind of window. Please select on the printer that I want is unlisted. And here, you need to find a printer by other options, and that is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So click on next and go with this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001 as my printer port. Once you've set it, click on next and eventually you'll be able to see two options. Please select on have this, go with browse. Since our extracted file is being located at the desktop, then by that, please proceed to the desktop. And here, please scroll down and locate with this one. So double tap to it. Double tap this UFRII, double tap to it, and you would be able to see this one, UK underscore ENG, and select your operating system. And since I have X64, then I'm gonna go with this. And there you can see the driver, double tap to it, and it will show you the driver here. So click on open to continue and once it is being set here, you can click on OK and it will show up the Canon LBP 6030. Once you're good, click on next. Go with next once again and you can rename that into Canon LBP 6030 for easy identification. Once you're good, go with next and it will now start in the installation. Once good, please allow for printer sharing or if you don't want to, you can turn the other one which is do not share this printer on. In my case, I'm allowing it. Go with next. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'm leaving it unchecked. Go with finished and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 6030 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, close the window as well as this one and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.